The objective of this lesson is to understand some of the date formulas in Excel, namely weekday, weeknum, workday, and workday international. So let's start one by one. First we have workday. What is workday? Workday will return a number based on a date you supply. So for example, if you supply the date and it was a Monday, it will give you a 1. If it was a Tuesday, it will give you a 2, and so on. So let's try it out. So we're going to try it on this date, the 14th of March, which is a Monday. So we're going to do equal weekday. First, I select the serial number, which is my date, and then I have a return type. A return type is very important because for some of you, the weekend is different. And for example, you have a Friday, Saturday weekend versus Saturday, Sunday for most of the world, right? So you need to select the right weekend. On my PC, for example, the weekend is set up on Friday and Saturday, and Sunday is the first day of the week. So for most of you, Monday will be the first day of the week and Sunday will be the last day of the week. So you select this, you close the parentheses, and you put enter. And as you see, Monday is number 1. Now if I didn't have this and my computer is set up differently like this computer, and you press enter, you'll get 2. Why? Because my weekend is Friday, Saturday, so my first day of the week is Sunday and my second day of the week is Monday, right? So this is weekday. Now we're going to go to week number. So week number, what it does is that it will take a date, so serial number, and it will tell me what week are we in this year. If you press enter, you get 12, which is the 12th week of the year. Next, we're going to look at working day. So we're going to try to get the next working day using different inputs. First, we start work day. We have a start date as a first parameter. So we're going to select our 14th of March. Then we need the number of days that we want to project it to. So we're going to do 1 day. And then we need the holidays. So we'll start without the holidays first to see what we get, and then we'll work it out. So we got Tuesday, 15th of March, right? This is fine. Now what if I have holidays? What if 15 and 16 are holidays? So then I come here, I add a comma, and I select my holidays, and then it will give me the 17th of March, which is a Thursday. Next, you need to know that this formula will take into account the weekends. But the weekend that it will take into account will be the weekend on my computer. And on my computer, the weekend is on Friday, Saturday, which is the 18th and the 19th of March, right? So if I select, for example, the same thing, and I say I want 3 working days instead of 1 working day, I'll get 21 of March. Why? Because 14 of March is my start date. 15 and 16 are holiday. 17 is 1 day. 18, 19 is my weekend. 20 is the second day. 21 is the third day. This is how it works. And these formulas are very important when you are trying, for example, to predict shipping dates. So for example, a customer bought something and you want to ship it in 3 working days. So you can select this formula and then calculate the date when the customer will get his package, for example. If you have this problem like me, when my computer has a different weekend than what I want, you can use Workday International. So let's look at this one. Equal Workday International. We have a start date. Our start date is the same. The number of days we're going to use, again, let's say we're going to use 1. Then we use the weekend. The weekend, I can select what is my weekend. So in this case, for most of you, the weekend is Saturday, Sunday, right? So we select this, and then we can select the holidays. And then this way, it will count the right weekend for you.